Hello, my cozy little dreamers. Today I'm drawing Bluey resting on Dad's chest. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a calm and heartwarming story. But before we begin, can you press the like button softly, so Bluey and Bingo can smile even brighter? The afternoon sun shines softly, the house feels warm and quiet. Bluey plays with her toys on the rug, Bingo draws a rainbow with crayons. Dad lies down on the couch slowly, his eyes half closed in peace. I'm just resting a little, he says. It's nap time for grown-ups. Bluey looks at Dad curiously. Can I rest with you too? She asks. Dad smiles and pats his chest. Of course, my little one. Bluey climbs up gently, her paws pressing softly. Bingo giggles nearby. You look like a tiny koala, she says. Can you hug yourself tight, like Bluey hugging Dad's chest? Dad breathes slowly and steady. Bluey listens to the sound. Your chest goes up and down, she whispers, like a soft wave. Dad chuckles and says, that's how breathing feels. Bluey closes her eyes slowly. It sounds like the ocean, she says. Bingo nods and smiles. Can I listen too? Dad opens one arm wide. Come here, little Bingo, he says. Bingo crawls closer and snuggles in. Her tiny head rests near Dad's arm. This feels so warm, says Bingo. It's like lying on a cloud. Bluey sighs happily. I could stay here forever. Can you take a deep breath too, in through your nose and out through your mouth? Grandma peeks from the doorway. What a peaceful sight, she says softly. Shoo, whispers Mom. They're resting together. The sunlight dances through the window, painting golden lines on the floor. Dad strokes Bluey's back gently, his touch soft as a lullaby. I love you too, he whispers. You make every day special. Bluey opens one eye and smiles. We love you too, Dad, she says. Bingo nods sleepily. You're the best pillow ever, she whispers. Dad laughs quietly. That's the nicest thing anyone ever said. Can you close your eyes for a moment? Pretend you're resting with them? The room feels still and calm, only the birds sing outside. Bluey's breathing grows slower. Her head rises with each of Dad's breaths. Bingo hums a tiny tune softly. La la la, she sings sweetly. Dad joins in with a gentle hum, their voices melting into the AIR.as. The sun begins to set. The golden light wraps around them. Dad, Bluey whispers softly, why does your chest sound like thunder? Dad smiles and says, that's my heart saying I love you. Bluey giggles. Then my heart says it too, she replies. Bingo adds sleepily. Mine too, her voice fading like a whisper. The house stays quiet and peaceful. Love fills every corner like warm light. Mom covers them with a blanket. Sleep well, my darlings, she says. Dad closes his eyes again, holding Bluey and Bingo close. Their breathing matches his softly, like one big warm heartbeat together. So whenever you rest with someone you love, remember how calm and safe it feels. Because love is the softest pillow that always makes your dreams sweet.